you're having a great day. My name is Dr. Heather Moore, owner of Total Performance Physical Therapy. We're going to go over some stretches for foot pain. So now is a popular time that foot pain crops up. So right now it's the end of summer, lots of bare feet, lots of flip-flop walking, lots of nice shoes, weddings, outings, things like that. So foot pain seems to be a little bit more prevalent this time of year. So there are some simple things you can do to really get some relief on your feet, and I think sometimes it really gets overlooked because you can do a lot to compensate for foot pain. You can change very slightly how you walk, and that can affect your whole knee and hip. So it's really important that if you are feeling pain in that foot, that you do address it, you don't ignore it, because your body will find ways around it, and by the time it finds ways around it, you're already compensating, and then you have some knee pain and hip pain and back pain. So always make sure that you address any issues that you have going on at your foot. It is super important. It is the first thing that hits the ground when you're walking. You want to make sure that you're using a really good, you're on a really good stable surface and you're not in a lot of pain. Again, your body will compensate without you knowing it, and it can lead to a lot of problems. So what can you do for some foot pain? So you're going to first obviously take off your shoe. First thing is you want to just keep your toes flat and bend your foot up. Now you may or may not feel a stretch with this. Again, these are not kind of you're going to feel a stretch with every single one of these. But if you do, you want to stop where you feel a stretch, okay? The important thing is that your toes stay flat. You're not coming up onto your toes, all right? Keep your toes nice and flat. You want to just do this for about 30 seconds, and you want to do about 6 of those. Now you can do this sitting at your desk, all right? You can do this wherever. Doesn't take a lot to do this stretch. And the next one is you're going to basically do in the same position, but you're going to curl your toes under. All right, so this one you may feel in your foot, you may feel going up the front of your leg. All right, either way, again, you want to make sure that you're holding that 30 seconds. You're going to do about 6 of those. If you don't feel a big stretch, you can start to bend that knee to get a little bit deeper stretch, but it's not really necessary to do so. And then the final stretch you want to do is actually something you're going to do with your hands, where you're basically, and you can do this sitting down. I don't know when I'm trying to act like I have really good balance. But you just kind of want to take and just push the thumbs on the top of the foot and push down, okay? Push down. So you're basically bringing your foot up like this, bringing your toes up like this, okay? Now, some of you may feel pain as you push down. That would be an indication that there's something going on in those toes. So you can actually turn this stretch into a little massage, where you just take your thumbs and go on either side of the bones in those spaces and just kind of rub it out. But what you want to do is just basically curl the outside of your foot upwards. Curl your toes up. Again, you may feel a stretch with this, you may not. People who have sore feet really feel a lot of relief with this stretch. And again, if you're pushing down on the top and you're feeling pain, that means the muscles in between your toes are really sore. So take your thumb, here's the bone, come right off the bone into the little soft part in between the bones of your toes, and just kind of rub it out nice and easy. If you or someone you know is suffering from foot pain and wants a free consultation with a doctor of physical therapy, all you have to do is call our office at 215-997-9898, and we'd be happy to get you in. Thanks and have a good night.